Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make aloe vera gel without a blender, and also how to keep your leftover aloe vera fresh to be able to use it next time. First, we have to cut the aloe vera, and you need to throw away this part. You don't need to use it. Make sure you wash your aloe vera very well. Wash out that yellow liquid. It's not good for our skin or for health. Cut out a little size of aloe vera and use your knife to remove that both side that has thorn. Okay, then remove the skin and use a knife. Please don't use a sharp knife. We need something to get out the aloe vera, but we don't need a knife that is sharp, because this my knife is sharp. Of course, it's a new knife. So start from one side, go from the other side. When you're through with a particular side, you turn it to the other side. So this is how you keep on going, side by side, and as you are doing it, the gels are coming out. This is how you continue doing it until all the gels are out. Okay, but if you use sharp knife, it will end up cutting the aloe vera instead of stripping out the gel. So use a knife, but not a knife that is too sharp. Now you can see that the gels are out. Look at the gels are out. So this is how to make your aloe vera gel without a blender. Now we are going into second method, which is Chinese method of making gel without a blender, and with this method they can make a whole lot of gel. If you are in China, you will notice that each time you bought aloe vera from Taobao, you will receive this comb in it. So this comb makes it easier to extract gel. Okay, so relax, watch and enjoy this video. Also, let me know on the comment section what you think about these two methods of making gel without blender, the first method and the second method of Chinese method. I would like to know what you guys think on the comment section and how you feel about this video. You can see the gel, you can see how neat and clear it is. I haven't tried this with an ordinary comb, but I have been thinking maybe using normal comb can also work out with this method. So you can try it out, use your normal comb, tight tooth comb, and try this method with aloe vera and see how it goes. Okay, each time I use this process, I love how the aloe vera gel comes out. So these are the two ways to preserve your leftover aloe vera after cutting out some pieces that you want to use is either you use foil to to wrap it, or you use zip bag to wrap it, then put it inside your fridge to preserve it. So even when you bring it out the next day or any day that you want to use it, you will see something like red or pink liquid um, on it. You just have to wash it. There is no problem with it. Just wash out the reddish or pink liquid and use your aloe vera. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, sweethearts, subscribe to my channel and support your girl, okay? And see you on my next video. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Catch my kisses.